Welcome to the product demo for Creatrix SaaS, your data strategy powerhouse. Imagine having data insights into some of the biggest brands in the world, like Amazon. From strategic insights for exceptional outcomes in business and marketing, to discovering what drives the market in market research, to anticipating the future today with trend forecasts, to channeling the collective desires of popular opinion, to understanding the hearts of your people through audience sentiment analysis, Creatrix has got you covered. Creatrix harvests social media and then applies those insights to the data-informed decision you're trying to solve for. You know what you want? Creatrix generates your deliverables for you. Let me show you. So here I'm going to do a public audit. I'm going to add the URL of Amazon and I'm going to set the date range for a year. It's March the 13th today. So let's do that and begin the audit. And now you can see our little octopus in action, compiling all the data and sorting the posts to create a beautiful visual audit for us of the top 10 posts. And in under a minute, we're taken to our visual audit reflecting the top 10 posts in a year. This is a Creatrix Model 0, meaning that it hasn't been customized with many of the features available for purchase. To show you how to add your own insights into the mix instead of having AI create the insights for you. We start by tapping on a post. This brings up the post that you're able to play. Taylor Swift. Here you have the stats of the post, no graphs and pie charts, just super simple. And in this space, you can add your notes and pull in the caption. As you can imagine, there are a million variables that you can pull when you're looking at data. So for the purpose of this product demo, I'm looking at what are the products and services that Amazon's audience loves the most. So in this case, it's a Prime Video. Then we're going to scroll to the next post. I can play this and add my notes. This one is about Prime Day, and I'm going to make sure that I add these notes to my plan before going on to the next one. It's another Prime Video, and it's also Amazon Music. Out of the top 10 videos, I've chosen these top 3 because they are liked the most, coming in at almost 40,000 likes, and then it starts to drop down. You can choose as many as you like, or you can get our AI to choose for you. And now I'm going to add my notes to the drawing room. The drawing room, I have a summary of my selected notes, and I've got a summary here of all the project notes from the 3 top posts. Now's where the magic really happens. Beneath me, you'll see a list of deliverables. You can choose any deliverable you can imagine in the world. If you can dream it, Creatrix can do it. These ones are specifically for marketing, so let's see how they work. I'm going to choose a recreation post for the top performing post. So I push this and my little Creatrix spins into action, reminding me to refill my coffee, which I have right over here. And then in a blink of an eye, it gives me work that would have taken me hours to do. I'm going to save this answer so we can see it. Here's emulation 1. It gives me a caption. It gives me emulation 2, emulation 3, and suggestions for a future video post, a carousel post, and another image post. I can recreate this, or I can move on to the next one and create my recreation for the top post number 2. So let's see how this goes. Great, with my emulations and alternative options for posts. I want to take all the insights from my top posts and generate a creative strategy, a comprehensive content plan, and my audience sentiment. Let's start with creative strategy. I'm doing this in real time so you can see how fast it goes. Great. So the top post of the year, they've given it a title. I've got the creative insight and then the next steps into campaigns, the most impressive style, insight into campaigns, and then the supporting posts. Wonderful. Love it. Now what I want to do is create a content plan based on the 3 top performing posts. Obviously, if I'd chosen more posts, it would take all those insights and create a bigger plan. So here we have it, weekly campaigns, spotlight features, Amazon Music Magic, love this, Epic Prime Day deals. This is based on what the audience wants to see most. Also, what content could be repurposed into other content forms? How could they update their bio on social media? And what are some unexpected out-the-box suggestions? Finally, let's do audience sentiment. The ideal Amazon customer is practical and value-orientated, who appreciates convenience and efficiency in their life. What draws them in is the promise of saving time and making life easier. That sounds fully aligned. So here are the main themes that the people who enjoy Amazon like the most, and possible posts that they could do surrounding those themes, plus the next steps. So instead of spending weeks with a huge team of strategists and analysts and creatives coming up with data-backed creative strategy, Creatrix can do it for you at the touch of a button. And this is just the beginning. This is Creatrix for social media marketing purposes, but you can even apply this to market research to define the products and services your clients want most. The opportunities are endless.